Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Cloudflare Web Analytics for content performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Cloudflare Web Analytics, begin by visiting the Cloudflare website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you do. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the website for which you want to enable Web Analytics. Go to the Analytics section in the left side menu. Look for the Web Analytics option and click on it. You might need to enable Web Analytics for your site first. Follow the prompts to activate this feature. Once activated, you will see options to configure your analytics settings. Customize the settings according to your preferences. After you have configured the settings, locate the download option for the analytics data. Click on the download button, typically found in CSV or JSON format. Select your preferred format and confirm your download request. The data will then be prepared for download. Once prepared, your file will automatically download to your device. Open the downloaded file using a compatible software. Review your Web Analytics data to assess your content performance. You now have Cloudflare Web Analytics data ready for analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.